Ever scroll through your feed and feel like everyone is ahead of you? That endless stream of highlight reels, each one a polished snapshot of a life that seems just out of reach. It's a silent pressure, isn't it? A quiet hum of anxiety that builds with every swipe, making your own world feel a little less vibrant, a little more grey. You see people the same age, but somehow they have a better job, a bigger house, a seemingly perfect life. The algorithm feeds you a constant diet of their success, and it's easy to start measuring your worth against their curated milestones. You start to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not there yet? Stop. Just for a moment. Take a breath. That feeling is the comparison trap. It's been said that comparison is the thief of joy, but it's also the killer of progress. It paralyzes you, convincing you that the gap between you and them is too wide to cross. But that's a lie. The truth is, you are not late. You are not behind. You're just on your own timeline, a path that is uniquely yours and cannot be measured by anyone else's ruler. Think of it this way. Some flowers bloom in the bright morning sun, others wait for the gentle warmth of the afternoon, and some reveal their beauty only under the quiet gaze of the moon. Each one is beautiful, not in spite of its timing, but because of it. What matters isn't when you bloom, but that you do. That you continue to nurture your own growth in your own season. While you're busy comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20, you forget to read your own story. You forget how far you've already come. Look back at the challenges you've overcome, the skills you've learned, the small wins you've collected along the way. They are all part of your journey. So put down their clock. Stop trying to sync your life to a rhythm that was never meant for you. Your pace is your power. Life's not a race to a universal finish line. It's a personal journey of discovery. It's about the texture of the path beneath your feet, the lessons learned in the valleys, and the quiet strength you build with every single step. So walk your path, one honest step at a time.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.